Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by securing your Apple ID, enable two-factor authentication, and generate an app-specific password for Mail. Once done, make sure Mail is enabled in Icloud settings and note your full Icloud email address. Next, open Gmail on the web and go to Settings Accounts and Import so you can add your Icloud address as an account. This step prepares Gmail to send using Apple's servers and avoids using your main Apple password, which enhances security and compatibility. You'll now configure Gmail to send as your iCloud address. Choose Add Another Email Address, enter your name and iCloud email, and uncheck Treat as Alias if you prefer separate identity. Make sure SMTP is SMTP. Mail, me. Com with port 587 and TLS, and use your full iCloud email as the username plus the app-specific password you created earlier. Once configured, Gmail sends a verification code to your iCloud mailbox. Retrieve that code and confirm it so Gmail can send on behalf of your iCloud account. Finish by choosing your preferred from address in Gmail and send test messages to confirm replies come from your iCloud address. If you want inbound mail routed into Gmail automatically, enable forwarding inside iCloud Mail preferences to forward new messages to your Gmail account. Make sure any forwarding rules are saved. If something goes wrong, first verify the app-specific password, and that mail is active in iCloud. Then confirm SMTP host and port settings. These checks resolve most connection and authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.